This is a video on why you should replace your transmission tail housing bushing. This is a top view of the transmission tail housing bushing, looking at it from the inside. When doing this job, make sure all the surfaces are clean. Here you can see wear and tear, internal damage, normal wear and tear after 30 years. And here is the new bushing that's going to be put in place in the same spot, same position. I had a special tool made by a machinist to the same measurement as the bushing that allows me to push the bushing out as you see here. With the hammer, I was able to push the old bushing out. And here I have the new bushing next to the old bushing that just came out. Obviously, it's worth replacing the tail house bushing with the new one. Here you can see again normal wear and tear after 30 plus years. Now, obviously, one of the big advantages of replacing that tail house bushing with the new one is that it'll also prevent leaks coming from the rear main seal of the transmission. Yes, they're all worn out, and some more so than others. Obviously, it's worth replacing the bushing with new once and for all. I did a test, and yes, there was play on that old bushing internally. Obviously, there was no play with the new bushing internally. So now I know my problem will be solved once and for all. There's a good view of the special tool I had made. And the next slide is a close-up where the machinist made it to exact fit.